There's one thing about Shreyas Iyer, though. You look at his body language, he always backs himself. He looks like a confident player. And now through the onside, look how quickly the ball travels on this outfield. Oh, lovely. What is it about the cover drive? It's an imperious shot. He's found the gap again. If you find the gap on this outfield here in Indore, don't even bother running. Ball doesn't have a lot of distance to cover, and it's very quick. Oh, easy. He is so full of confidence, and the ball is coming beautifully onto the bat. Slightly lesser speed from Abbott.
That's 4 more. And that's a good shot too. And that'll be 4. This time, Shreyas Iyer.
Oh, this is just so confident, so arrogant. Shot of a player in complete control who got a nice, easy half tracker. And he said, right, I'll get myself a 50 with a big one down the ground.
And a crucial innings as well for someone like Shreyas Iyer. How things can change. You have a back spasm, you open the door for someone else, and then you have a run out, you have two bad games, and suddenly you're under pressure. So it's a good comeback from Shreyas Iyer and the way he's batted. You go into the format which you own, even there you're struggling. Good try there by Cameron Green in the deep, but this is a lightning fast outfield.
And then he followed it up because he bowled the earlier ball fuller with a much shorter ball, and brilliant from Shreyas Iyer.
Half tracker, one of the rare bad deliveries he's bowled in this spell. And quick to latch onto it. This boundary is too small for deliveries like that.
Brilliant. Don't think he was quite to the pitch of the ball, but he backed himself. That ball's gone the distance, actually. Sometimes we look at the short boundaries and say, oh, it's easy to hit a 6. But these are big sixes.
Once again, we see a 6 off the back of a misfield from Australia. Matt Short now under pressure.
Great shot. Really good shot. This was just optimum hitting from Shreyas Iyer.
Yeah, is that the first boundary? Last 20 runs have been in singles, and then a boundary. And Shreyas Iyer moves to 98. 100 number 3 for Shreyas Iyer. After 11 innings, I'm pretty sure he's going to celebrate it. It's coming at a much needed time for him.
And it's a popular 100, let me assure you that. He's gone through a lot of frustration with a lot of back injuries. Then he was a certainty in the team, had to sit out for a long time, missed an IPL as well. And this will give him a lot of joy.
The high quality for me is the way he went about it from ball 1. He looked like today he walked out like a man on a mission. He wanted to take the game on. He hit a boundary early over cover and just put his presence straight on the ground, and that there makes all this moment worth it. He's had a lot of injury concerns. He's been in and out of the team because of that, and look at that face there. That's what it means to play for your country.
I mean, Ravi, everyone's going to say that it's a good headache to have, but it just adds to the complexities of selection.
Don't forget, before he got injured, he was a certainty in the side. His strike rate was good, he was consistent. He had to watch it from the outside.
And the next one goes for 4. Insult to injury. High in the air, and this is taken very nicely by Matt Short. So in the very same over, a lease of life, but going for the big one after hitting a 4, Shreyas Iyer.
Very good catch there from Matthew Short. Look here.